everyone, welcome to Mechanics of Music. My name is Kaitlin and I am here to guide you through your first 30 lessons on the ukulele. Today is a super fun day. We're going to be singing Happy Birthday. So grab your uke, make sure that it's in tune, and let's get started. First things first, if you purchase the Everything You Need ukulele bundle, I want you to grab this booklet because the song is on page 6. Otherwise, you can download the lyrics and the chords in the description. There's a link. So on page 6, we're going to look Happy Birthday, and there's a cool guy conducting. So what we need to do, we see that there's the words to the song, which we know the song, and then there's these letters above the words. So right above the word birthday, we see a C, which means we are going to play our C chord right as we say the word birthday. Then when we say to you, when we say the word you, we switch to our G7 chord and we strum it to you. Then we strum G7 again on the next happy birthday to, back to C, you. Happy birthday, we stay on C. Now we need to go to F when we say the person's name. Happy C and G7, back to C. Awesome. So today is actually my dad's birthday and he turns 60 today. So we're going to sing him happy birthday and I'm going to say the word dad when it says happy birthday dear name. So happy birthday dad. I hope you had an awesome day and I want you to know that you are awesome and you're so cool and I love you. So that's our first note. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Let's try again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Now we'll try strumming a few more times in between. So instead of just one strum every time we see the chord, we're going to strum all the way until we get to the next chord. So let's start on our C chord. Happy birthday to G7. Happy birthday back to C. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Awesome job, everybody. That's gonna be a hit at the next birthday party. When you pull out your uke and you sing along, woo, man. Now, here is a special treat. I wasn't planning this for today's lesson, but I just can't resist. It's way too fun. Inside your Everything You Need ukulele bundle comes with a kazoo. And this song is the perfect reason to use the kazoo while you play the ukulele. So what you're gonna do with the kazoo is you're gonna hum into this fat part here. If you blow, nothing will happen. And I'm gonna hum into the kazoo. I'm gonna hum Happy Birthday while I play the chords on the uke. So let's try it. Good times. So I want you guys to have fun with this song. practice those changes. All the songs that we're going to learn is all about changing between the chords as quickly as you can. So practice on your own. Take as long as you need to get to the next chord. If you take a long time, that's okay. You really just want to make sure it's clear, and you want to make sure that it's not buzzing, not ringing. Well, you want it to ring, but you don't want it to be, you don't want buzzing, you don't want dead notes. And you want to get really fast going back and forth. So I hope you guys enjoy this tune. A nice quick lesson. Congratulations on making it this far in your ukulele journey. You guys are doing awesome. I hope you're having a lot of fun, because I'm having a lot of fun guiding you through and reading all the comments as you go. So keep strumming, keep smiling. I will see you guys in the next lesson. 1, 2, 3, have a